This is granite. This rock has gone through the rock cycle and transformed over time. Could you guess what rock it was before? Peridotite. A dense, coarse grain, usually dark green to black, and igneous rock composed of olivine and peroxide. So how did this happen? In Earth's upper core is where we can find our rock. Suddenly, magma began to force up. Hey! Yes? This is my life story, right? I guess so. Why? So let me tell it. I don't want a biography. Okay, have fun! Pretty easy. Anyways, in the volcano, let's say the crystallized magma is the pink at the bottom. It all pushed up, causing me to go into the soil as peridotite again. In the soil, pressure started to occur. The pressure in the soil caused me to change from peridotite to serpentine. Found near tectonic boundaries, a non-foliated metamorphic rock formed from magnesium-rich rocks like peridotite. Guess where I am now? Right back into Earth's interior, where the same thing at the start happened again. But the difference is I was serpentine this time. Keep in mind that this process could have been fast instead of slow and is a subsurface event. Okay, now. Serpentine is found near tectonic boundaries. Tectonic plates have different movements. Converging, diverging, and transforming. We're going to be focusing on converging. Converging is when tectonic plates move towards each other, making mountains, volcanoes, and ocean trenches. Converging is a very slow process and is subsurface. Now on the mountain made from converging tectonic plates, the snow at the top starts to melt, making me slide down the side and end up in a river. While being transported, I was being eroded and weathered by the water, getting weaker and duller. But I was deposited somewhere new through deposition. The natural process where wind, water, ice, or gravity wear away and transport soil, rock, and other materials from one location on their surface to another, gradually changing the landscapes. Weathering is the natural breakdown of rock, soil, and minerals through physical, chemical, and biological processes without significant movement, where transported sediments are dropped and added to a landform.
Hello.
Hi?
I'm sandstone.
I'm serpentine.
Me and Clay are asking where everyone came from.
It's a long story.
Have you been a sedimentary rock before?
No, I haven't.
I think we're gonna be clastic.
There's a difference.
Well, there's clastic, chemical, and organic.
And the difference?
Forms when minerals from water precipitate. When water becomes supersaturated with dissolved ions, often due to evaporation, causing the minerals to crystallize and form solid rock. Some examples are rock salt, gypsum, and certain types of limestone. When organic debris like leaves or roots accumulate and liquefy. When broken rock fragments of pre-existing rocks that have been weathered, transported, deposited, and liquefied.
After many days, months, years, gosh, I don't know, becoming a sedimentary rock takes a long time. The pressure in the river combined me and many other pieces of rock into sedimentary breccia, plastic sedimentary rock composed of angular rock fragments with a finer grained nature. After more days of pressure, I ended in Earth's interior as gneiss, a high-grade foliated metamorphic rock formed in Earth's crust from heat and pressure from igneous and sedimentary rocks. That's nice. I was now in Earth's interior for the 90th time, where magma is forced up again. As our story comes to an end, maybe, Mara Rock has now found itself back in volcano. Funny how things repeat themselves, After all that happened, our rock lays as granite. Magma cooled inside and making our intrusive rock. Our rock could have gone many ways, changing forms and other things, but it ends up here. Now our rock has the chance to stay as granite for a bit, or maybe go through the rock cycle again. So what's our conclusion? Rocks go through many phases of the rock cycle, and there are 3 different types of rocks: sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous.
In those rocks, you can find intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks, non-foliated and foliated metamorphic rocks, clastic, chemical, and organic sedimentary rocks. Each one of these rocks can become each other. Igneous and metamorphic rocks can be broken down and found in sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic and sedimentary can be melted and cooled into igneous. Igneous and sedimentary can have pressure and heat applied, making metamorphic rocks. Weathering, erosion, and deposition play a part in this. Deposition deposits sediments, weathering and erosion carry rock and wear them down. Every rock's journey is different, and it changes into different rocks. Processes could be fast or slow and subsurface. Our rock's journey ends here, at least for a moment.